In 20 minutes, the rain has started to saturate the swales. I'm going to show you that right now. The roof runoff is starting to fill the sump pit. You can see that there's water collecting in puddles in the swales. About 20 minutes of rain, and this sump pit is pretty full. There's 20 minutes of rain from the roof. Now, for every 3 feet by 3 feet by 1/16 of an inch of rain, roughly, is about a liter of water. So if you can do a 3,000 or 2,000 square foot house, roughly, 3 times 3, 9. So divide 2,000 by 9, and that's the square footage that you're calculating to 1 liter. So these swales are filling up pretty nicely. You can see the water running down the stairs, coming into a spot, and then being aimed back into the garden. So the water's aimed away from the house. Water is filling up these trenches. It's backfilling the volume of area. And eventually it'll come down here, and they'll flow into here, and then they'll flow down the hill. Good stuff.